Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the NEWZBEAT presented to you by Ladies Like and Jacentino. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Today we dedicate our news on the beat to the very important people indeed. We'll talk about our presidents who run the countries on our African continent. Have you heard of the Ibrahim Foundation? It highlights leaders that display mad decisions and the leaders that truly help their countries raise stands to win the $5 million Ibrahim Prize. It's awarded for the achievement in African leadership, but few ever get it within reach of their fingertips.
What's the criteria to become the receiver? Who do they consider a deserving leader?
1. You have to be a former head of state.
Really?
Yes. 2. You must have left office in the last 3 years.
But most want to make it a lifetime career.
3. You should have developed your country.
And must have only developed their families.
4. You strengthen democracy and human rights and must have chased citizens into flight. 5. You should have paved the way for prosperity
and must have increased the income disparity.
The prize was started back in 2006.
And most years, the jury's in a fix.
Can you believe that in the past decade, only 4 leaders won the accolade?
I'm not surprised. No leader is favored.
The Ibrahim Prize holds out for high standards. There are many qualities that must be considered before the prestigious prize can be awarded. An effective leader has many good qualities, starting with the ability to take responsibility, to be the leader he or she wants to see, one who practices respect, delivered with the dose of humanity.
A good leader should promote unity and back it with truth and integrity.
They should be partial and wise and ready to defend what's right.
To be strong and also show compassion, be proactive and ready to take action, and committed to serve with a passion.
But above all, they must have this one quality. This is one they can't miss. Consider it the key. Love the quality that powers all the others. The quality that makes the best leaders.
Presidents are judged for their administration, but what do you know about their education?
We can school you on the brightest in Africa, like Malawi's President Peter Mutharika. He's an expert in international justice, putting his doctorate in law to practice.
Ellen Johnson Sirleaf laid her foundation on master's degree in public administration, but she can't beat Amina Grib's education, the first female president of her nation, and award-winning scientist in biodiversity. Grib boasts a PhD in organic chemistry.
Alassane Ouattara is one of the best in the West. With a PhD in economics, he passed the test.
Malisa Ibike got a presidential education with degrees in history and international relations, plus political science. He's prepped for presidency.
It's not just presidents, they are also royalty. Morocco's King Ahmed got his mind polished with a PhD at the Uni of Nice Sophia Antipolis.
The most degrees belong to Mr. Mugabe. He got his start at the Uni of Fort Hare with a BA in English and History in 1951, then his 6 degrees in SA and London.
So, you want to be a leader, you must pass the test.
You have to hit the books to roll with the best.
We get presidents of all kinds on this continent, like Bobby Wine, Uganda's ghetto president, who was recently elected as an MP, the first step to the leader he hopes to be.
Let's give a clap to the Transformers, African presidents of the past, the former who gave their seat to their successors, and above all stepped down in peace, thinking about their citizens' ease. The list is brief but getting longer in more African countries. The belief grows stronger that old times come to an end, even for the oldest president. Let's start with Jonathan Goodluck, the most recent one, the first president to peacefully transition power in Nigeria after losing the elections in 2015 after the abducted girls' hysteria. 20 years went by in Senegal until Abdou Diop hit a wall. In 2000, the opposition finally won and Abdoulaye Wade's term began. Pierre Buyoya from Burundi was a stubborn one until in 2003 he was done. International pressure came and off he went, leaving space for an ethnically inclusive government. South Africa had 2 serene transitions. First, Mandela won the 1994 elections, but he resigned from the ANC 3 years later, leaving his seat to his successor Thabo Mbeki, who took up presidency for 9 years until he wanted to go and was gone, and his second term wasn't even done. There are many more peacemakers and constitutional believers who have shown what it takes for a president to make the best decision for the people. To Joyce Banda from Malawi, to Rupia Banda from Zambia, to Nesta Soglo and Matthew Kereku from Benin. Your efforts have been seen. Your goodwill has shown that there is a time and a good way for every president. I'm Big Ben Sukuyana Mwombe, Bene, reporting for NEWZBEAT.
The First Lady is more than the President's babe. She's a political influencer in her own way. Take Margaret Kenyatta, Uhuru's campaigner. She can get the masses move on her beat. Her political clout is quite a feat.
On the other hand is Nigeria's Asha Buhari, a woman who knows how to spark controversy. She told her husband he better get it together or expect her next vote to go to another.
None can match the First Lady of Zimbabwe, the powerful and confident Grace Mugabe. She's a powerful player in the leading party and believes she already runs the country.
Although the president is the elected head of state, she's the next head in the head which move to make. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like I'm Jay Sentino, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.